So now I don't want temp file as my file name, so I'm going to go ahead and hit clear. So I go ahead and I click on clear. It says, are you sure you want to clear? Well, yeah, I'm sure I want to clear. So I hit yes. So it's gone now. Now what I'm going to do is I want to call it Tanya because it's a letter to Tanya. So I'm going to click on T. I know I need to page forward. I know I need to page forward again. And there's Tanya. So I click on that row. Then I click on Tanya. So now it says Tanya. I want to end edit. So I'm going to click on end edit. It says you're about to save your message as Tanya. Are you sure you want to do this? Well, yes, I'm sure I want to do that. So I click on yes. So now it's saving this file and it's calling it Tanya. So now I have a file out there called Tanya in my filer. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to go back to my filer. And now I'm going to go to Filer menu. So I click on that. And we see there's Tanya, the file Tanya. And some other files are there as well. From my Filer menu, I can click on delete and delete any files I want. I can save things if I want. I can load, retrieve previously saved ones if I want. For now, I'm just going to go back, hit return, go back to my main menu. So now I've written this letter to Tanya. I've saved it as Tanya. That's how you compose text. That's how you save things. Oh, as for using some other things, you can use any of these words down here. These are words that it's guessing that you're going to use next, so I could click on any of those and use those instantly. If I wanted to put a number on here, I could click on my numbers. Click on the numbers, and I could click on any number if I want. So I can click on different random numbers, or I could hit space if I wanted. If I wanted to put the date on my letter, I could click on date, and it'll slap the date on there if I want. I'm going to hit return to go back. So you can do all of that. If I wanted to use suffixes, if I wanted to use the word quickly, I could grab the word quick. And there's the word quick, so I click on that row, that column. And then I grab the ly suffix. So I'm going to grab ly, and we see quick becomes quickly. So that's how we compose text using the touch software. If I wanted to save this, I could go back to my filer, and I could go to my filer menu, and I could click on save right at the top, because I want to save the changes I've made. I click on save. It says the current file name is Tanya. I want to save that, so I click on save. It says you're about to save the message as Tanya. Are you sure you want to do this? Well, yes, I am. And it asks, do I want to overwrite that? Yes, I do. So now it's overwriting that, but it's saved all the changes I've made now to Tanya. So now I can clear that out and go do something entirely different. So I'm going to go back here, hit return. I'm going to clear. It says, are you sure? Yes. Clear the whole message? Yes. Yes, I'm sure I want to do the whole message. Bam, it's gone. Now I can work on a letter to somebody else or do something entirely different. So this is how we do text composition with the Asyst Touch software. We're going to take a quick look at if we wanted to bring that message back. How do we do that? We click on our filer. We click on Filer menu. And we see load is highlighted at the top. And we see the different file names here. I'm going to click on Tanya. It thinks about it for a second. And boom, there's our Tanya message. It's back right there. So we can, if we wanted to show that to somebody, we could click on View. And you could display it on the screen. If we wanted to speak it, we could simply click on Speak.
Dear Tanya, great to see you. How is work going? I think the dog needs to go out. Have you seen any good movies lately? You the 25th of April 27, 2012 quickly.
So that's how you compose text with the Asyst Touch software.